Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. See if you can figure out what it is before I put it on. Probably. But let's go and I'll show you guys all these pieces and parts and what it is as I am able to do this. So here is the shirt. I'll put this on. One sec. Okay, the shirt is on. And then we have the outfit here. Sound is still working on this. I'm holding the microphone in my hand. Here we go. There we go. I'm sure you guys will figure this out. This here, here. Like a champ. Okay. There. Am I starting to look familiar? and then let's do this part here. Ha 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 ha. Very curly. And here we are. This is the final phase. So, I look like Ronald McDonald. So if you're into McDonald's or need a costume to be like Ronald McDonald, this is the way to go. And look at that, we have a little sticker here. I guess the sticker can go up on here, maybe. Oh, yeah. I don't think I can peel it with my gloves on, but you get the idea. The sticker will go up on there. So I'll be McDonald's guy. So how cool is this? And then fix up my collar here. Say wearing gloves is not the most comfortable thing. There we go. So there I am, Ronald McDonald. So how do you like that? This is cool. This is a great costume for Halloween and whatnot. So I got my costume that's got some pockets here so I can kind of keep my phone or whatever handy if I need to. And I am set. How cool is this? Ah, it's awesome. Super awesome. Thumbs up. Oh my god, this is the greatest costume ever. Super cool. Well, I love it. Let me take off my